Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the main character from the new Amazon Prime show Invincible, and that is Invincible. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Invincible, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a little oval shape that kind of angles in. So I'm just going to begin by making a little oval shape that's just going to go around. You can see it kind of angles in. Then I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm not going to leave much space, but I'm just going to make another one of these big oval shapes. Now right in between these, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down. Then we're going to make a little line that comes down. Make a line that goes out and then down. Make a little line that goes up and down, and then a little line that comes down. Over here we're going to make a line that goes down and then in. Now starting here, we're just going to make a little line that goes down, and we'll do the same thing over here, just a little bit down. I'm going to draw this line down, and we'll draw this one down. You can see we kind of come in a little bit. I'm going to make this line go down and this line come down. You can see they're kind of coming in at an angle. Then we're going to go down and over. You can see I made this one come out a little bit just to show where that chin is. Starting here, we want to make the mouth. So we're going to make a little line that's going to go over, and it's going to come over to here. Then we're going to go down, we're going to go over, and then up. We're going to make a little line over on each side. And then a little line right here. Now, starting right about here where we started to go in for the jaw, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out on each side. Not much. I'm going to bring this line up and I'm just going to barely touch the edge of this goggle right here. So I'm just going to go right up here, I'm going to barely touch it, and we're going to go up to here. And then this one we're going to go out and we're not going to touch this one, we're going to leave just a little bit of space. So we're just going to go up like this. Next I want to make a line that goes up and down to connect it. So we're going to go up and down like this. Now, starting right about here, underneath the eyes, we're going to make the ears. So we're going to begin right here. I'm just going to make lines going to go out, and it's going to come back in. And we'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to go up, we're going to come down and in. Now for the hair, I'm going to start right about here. We're going to make a little line that's going to go out, it's going to come in, it's going to come to a point and down. We're going to make another one right here. It's going to come up, and then it's going to come down. I'm going to make one here. It's going to go up. It's going to kind of come down like this. Probably make it a little wider. Make another one. It's going to come out. It's going to come to a point and then back down. One more right here that goes out and in. One more here. And one that's just going to go down and then come down like this. Now, starting here right by his ear, we're going to make a little line that goes out. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're just going to come down. Right here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go around, and then it's going to come down to here. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out, it's going to come around, and then to right about here. Starting here, I'm going to go down, I'm going to go over and up just a bit. I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to go down, we're going to go over and up just a bit to kind of form the chest. Now starting here, I'm going to make another little line that goes down. I'm going to leave a little bit of space and I'm going to bring it up to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go out and then down. And we'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go out and then we're going to bring it in. Probably make this a little bit bigger. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come around. And we'll make a little line that's going to curve around. And it's going to come right to here. I'll make two little lines right in here, show where the fingers are. Over here, I'm just going to make a line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down. I'm going to go out, and then come down. Little line's going to go out. It's going to come around here and curve for the thumb. And then this one's going to go down, and it's going to come around. We'll add two little lines for some fingers. Right about here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, and then up for his leg. Now let's add a few details. So right about here, we're going to add a couple little lines for his neck. So we'll start first on the ear. We'll make a little line that comes down, and we'll make one here that goes down. I'm going to make a little line that comes in, and then another one that comes in here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come down like this. And we'll do the same thing here. We go out, we go down, and then down again. And we'll make a little line right here by his chest. Starting up here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down. It's going to come around, and then come up to here. We'll make a little line that's going to go up. It's going to go over, and then down. Right here on his gloves, we're going to make a line that's going to go over. We're going to come down, and then we're just going to go over. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go over, down, and then come over like this. I'll make a couple little curved lines for the fingers. And I'm going to make a little line that comes across here, so there's a little different color on his pants. And there you go, there is your drawing of Invincible. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.